he might be done there when it comes to Argentina, but that fantastic piece of news where he said that I will play for Argentina as a World Cup champion, and then we'll see him again next year.
But I think we are all talking about his World Cup triumph. It all started from 2006. I remember Argentina getting knocked out by Germany in tiebreaker. David Odonkor scored a late equalizer. And from there in 2010, I think they were beaten by Germany once again, if I'm not too mistaken. And then in 2014, once again, it was Germany. In the final, Mario Götze rattled them in 6 minutes to go. But then, as they say, redemption will come to you only if you believe in yourself.
And I went to Argentina in 2014, just a couple of months after that World Cup final loss. We asked about the atmosphere there. They love their football as much as we do. They were absolutely distraught, but they did say that it will come home soon. And they believed in Leo Messi, and he made sure that it took place. Fantastic scenes here at the Salt Lake Stadium. All the phones are out.
And some unknown or lesser known facts about Leo Messi. He is one who's got a massive tattoo collection throughout his body, and it's dedicated to his family, including it's got his wife's eye, the sons' names, the handprints of the sons, and also at the back he's got his tribute to the mother. And just let me tell you one very interesting anecdote. The first ever Barcelona signing was on a napkin, and that in 2024 has been sold in the auction at $1 million.
And what an incredible story. It just shows you that from a small piece of not even paper, of a paper napkin, things can start and it can reach to such heights where there is basically no ceiling, where you touch the sky and the moon and even further than that.
Only if you know to believe, and Messi believed. Messi believed no matter what comes his way, he'll be there. And you know why, Liam? Because he loved the sport. He loved the sport, he loved the ball with all his heart. And that is what drove him to the very brink of greatness. And that is why no matter what came his way, he said he's going to stand tall, he's going to take it all in, he'll take the defeat, and then he will fight his way back.
और मेसी की जो नामांकन जो है, उनकी मदर की सबसे फेवरेट सिंगर थे लियोनेल रिची, और उन्हीं के नाम से वो अपने बेटे को पुत्र का नाम दिया था. और ये शायद आप कई लोग जानते हैं, कई आदमी भूल गए कि मेसी अर्जेंटीना को जो डेब्यू हुआ था, वो बेंच से आके 2 ही मिनट में रेड कार्ड उनको दिखाया गया और वो उनको बाहर जाना पड़ा. और it was in 2005 against Hungary.
And we speak so much about him being God's gift to football, but as we've mentioned throughout this discussion, it hasn't come easy. There is a lot of hard work that is put to it. Of course, a lot of passion, as you said. It doesn't come without the love of the game. And that is why it's so important that I think it's fitting that he has his best friends alongside him. Because being a team sport, no matter what individual things you achieve, you've got your best friends alongside you, you've got your teammates alongside you watching your back. That's what it's all about. It's about the memories that you make along with the trophies that you win.
Someone very nicely put it. No matter how high you reach, unless you share it with your best of friends, the joy will remain kind of splintered to you. So guess what? Messi knows it all. And that's why, not just all of it, I think Messi is also an embodiment of humility. The humility that he carries with himself, it's very rare. But make no mistake, he's already touched the skies and above.
Yes, that same boyish grin, it still remains. And he is such loved character. Just remember, when he won that the Instagram, the history, he's created history after that picture, the photo of his lifting the 2022 FIFA World Cup. 74 million hits till date. near to goodness. Wow.
It looks like he's making his way outside now as the murmurs in the Salt Lake Stadium, as everybody will just soak it in for a few moments. I think just the fact that they have seen the great man, the icon, Leo Messi, we're all still just soaking it in here in the commentary box. But what a moment to finally witness. And of course, Rodrigo de Paul and Luis Suarez as well. To see them in the flesh is something surreal.
कहीं मत जाइए क्योंकि अभी और काफी सारे इवेंट्स बाकी हैं और पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. आपको ये गोट इंडिया टूर 2025 इसकी लाइव टेलीकास्ट आ रही है डीडी स्पोर्ट्स पे और इसकी ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म में भी ये उपलब्ध है. और हम अभी भी काफी मेसी मोमेंट्स क्रिएट करेंगे.
आपके मोबाइल पर तुरंत आएगी ब्रेकिंग न्यूज. स्क्रीन पर सबसे पहले दिखेगी बड़ी खबर. देश दुनिया की हर खबर एक जगह. अब आपके मोबाइल पर तुरंत फटाफट इंस्टॉल कीजिए न्यूज नेशन ऐप और रखिए खुद को अपडेट.